ಕಾಣಿಸ್ತಿದೆ ಮ್ಯಾಮ್? ಮ್ಯಾಮ್ ಕಾಣಿಸ್ತಿದ್ಯಾ?
ಕಾಣಿಸ್ತಿದೆ.
Good morning everyone. My topic is Blue Eyes Technology. These are the contents included in my PPT and first, ma'am, ಕೇಳಿಸ್ತಿದ್ಯಾ?
ಕೇಳಿಸ್ತಿದೆ. ಮಾಡಿ ಇಲ್ಲೇ ಇದೀನಿ ನಾವು ಕೂಡ.
Okay sir. Blue Eyes Technology main aims creating a understanding between the user and computer. Human can interact with the computer and computer also interact with the human and detect the emotion of the humans. Blue Eyes Technology senses all the action and physical mindset of the user using sensors. Blue Eyes Technology is nothing but a human motion monitoring and intelligence sensing system. Human and computer emerging technology in which the computer identify the motion gesture and all other physical and mental mindset by using sensor, and it also allows the facial recognition and speech recognition. And what is the Blue Eyes Technology? I already said is Blue Eyes Technology main aim creating understanding between the user and computer, and use the camera and microphone identify the user action and emotions. In term of the Blue Eyes Technology, Blue in the term stand for Bluetooth, which enables the reliable wireless communication. I is a played important role in this technology because detecting the emotion using eye based on the eye movement. Need of the Blue Eyes Technology, it build the machine that can understand the user emotions. Computer can also listen, talk and scream, and user can verify your identity, feel your presence and interact with computer. And this is a literature survey. The first one is a Blue Eyes Technology. This paper using a sensor detecting the physical mindset of the user. And the second paper is this is user face and speech recognition style, you detecting the user emotions. And for fourth third paper is also using a facial and speech recognition to detecting the emotions. And fourth one is study on Blue Eyes Technology. This paper presents the technology which aim to create the computer that has perceptual and sensor ability. Blue Eyes Technology provide way to monitor and record any user physiological state. These are the technologies used in this Blue Eyes Technology. First one is the emotion mouse, manual and gauge input cascade, artificial intelligence, speech recognition, simple user interest tracker, the eye movement sensor. First one is the emotion mouse. Emotion mouse detecting the emotion just touching the mouse. In that means the person using this is an example of the emotion mouse. The person is using the mouse. Way of touching the style it decides the which mode is there in the person. Means if the person is very angry mode, using the mouse in very dash. In sad mode, it using very softly like that. And it analyze the and identify the user emotions such as sad, happy, anger, and when the person is interact with the computer. And it contains the pressure sensor, temperature sensor, and GSR sensor, and it measure the heart rate, pulse rate, blood pressure like that. And if the measured value is more than threshold, alerting the operator. And the second one is a manual and gauge input cascade. It's also called as the magic point. The main aim of the magic point is to use gauge the wrap the previous position of the cursor to the locality of the target reasonably where the user was looking at, so as to listen the motion amplitude of the cursor which is required for the target selection. When the position of the cursor is identified, only small movement is needed by the user to click on the target by the manual input device and also reduce the motion of the cursor. The magic point is tracking the eye movement of the user and perform the desired operation and reduce the cursor movement needed for target selection. And click on the target with the regular manual input device. High where will looking at the screen, always cursor will pointing there. So the using magic wand reduce the cursor movement if the person is selecting one file which is there in the computer screen can open the file manually using input device such as mouse, keyboard. These are the two technologies used in the magic wand. One is a liberal and second one is a conservative. First one is the liberal approach. It's wrap the cursor to every new object user look at. If the object is new, add it to the database. Otherwise, it's ignored. And proactive, since cursor wait for every potential target, and overactive when user merely looking at the target. Second one is the conservative approach. User can manually add the object into the database. Cursor is wrapped the gauge area reported by the eye tracker. Cursor position is offset of the intersection of manual activation vector and boundary of the gauge area. This artificial intelligence speech recognition is it allows the communicate the human to computer. Some words and corresponding action will be stored in already database. Identified cause some action to be taken. For example, if the person say play music, the word is already stored in the database. You go to the database, scan the word. If the word is matched and perform the desired operations. Using user speaks the computer through microphones. User can use their own language, not restricted using this language. These languages and simple user interested tracker. Its name says it is a user perform the user interested task. This approach helps to maintain the relationship between the user and computer. It will determine the interest of the user and provide the appropriate information of the user. It continuously analyzes the user action and behavior. It mostly use web-based application. For example, if the person is start to read the story, pop up the related story in the browser windows. And this is a eye movement sensor design. DAU and SU is a major part of this technology. Personal area network for linking all the operators and supervising the system. DAU, data acquisition unit, is collecting the information from the sensor. Collected information forward to the CSI to further processing. In data acquisition unit also known as the mobile measuring device. The role of the data unit acquisition unit is to collect the physiological data or information from the sensor, which is later then sent to the CSU, where the processing is done and also verified. And for user authentication purpose, PIN codes and ID cards are used. For this is also concern the security purpose. So ask the user to enter the PIN codes and ID cards for authentication purpose. And ZAS multi-sensor was used to physiological data sensor, and it supplied the raw digital data regarding the high position and blood oxygenation, and also deliver the alert message if the heartbeat or blood pressure is variation there, it immediately alert the operators. And these are the component of the data acquisition unit. Using ID card and simple keyboard for the user authentication. Microphone or earphone used to allow the speak user, and Z multi-sensors contain the pressure sensor, temperature sensor, and GSS sensor. And LED indicator is used to alert. It display indicator. It display the alert messages, and LCD displays used to if the person is wish to watching some videos. It using this display the videos. And central system unit, it maintain the Bluetooth connection, and it collect the incoming sensor data which is sent by the data acquisition unit, and perform the data analysis and record the conclusion for further exploration, provide the visualization interfaces. These are the CSU component is contain the connection manager, visualization model, and data analysis, data logger. First one is a connection manager. The mainly used to connection manager is communication purpose. Establish the communication with hardware component, such the near Bluetooth devices, and establish the Bluetooth connections. Before establish the Bluetooth connection, authenticate the connection and collecting the incoming data, and also transfer the data, and also send the alert message when it is triggered. Is the data analysis model. Collecting the raw sensor data and perform the analysis of the received data, and analyze some variation there in the blood pressure or heartbeat or pulse rate in order to obtain the information about the physiological condition. This is a visualization model. Watch each of the working operator physiological condition along with a preview of selected video source and related sound stream. If the person wishes to watch some video, it selected video is displayed clearly without any disturbance. And next, visualization model can also set by the offline mode. If already video or some data is already stored in the database, you can fetch in offline mode also. This is the data logger mode. Is the raw processed physical data, alert message, or everything is stored in the data. Using this, everything is stored in the database. You can play back to the data. This is the overall system architecture. First is the physiological parameter sensor is contain all the sensor and measure the any heartbeat, pulse rate, everything, and is sent to the microcontroller using Bluetooth. Sent to the connection manager. Connection manager is sent to the data analysis for analyze the data, and again send to the data logger, and using this store it in the database. These are the enabled device. First one is the part is the first to Bluetooth enabled mass product. This is technology used in the car. You keep alerting the driver if the driver is go very fastly. You say that go slow, or if the driver is getting bored, it's based on the interest of the driver, is play some songs. Second is the POM. It's the Blue Eyes technology used in the robotics. Blue Eyes robot is capable of analyzing a person glance and other information or other form of expression of feelings before automatically determining the next step of the actions. These are the applications of the Blue Eyes technology. First one is the automobile industry. Is knowing the emotion of the employee. And feedback of the emotion of the employee, take the certain action. We next one a video game and flight control center. If the in the flight, the person the pilot getting bored or is feeling lonely, give some motive speech or is play the songs and education, knowing the emotion feedback to learner, enhancing the teaching style and healthcare and medicine. If knowing the emotion of the patient, if the treatment is how to affect the person. These are the advantages of the Blue Eyes technology. Next is the visual attention monitoring. Visual attention monitoring and physiological condition monitoring. Blood pressure, pulse rate, everything is monitored. If the variation there in the pulse rate about blood pressure, if the suddenly intimated the user can also take care of her health. And operate position detection and real-time user-defined alarm trigger and physiological data, operator voice, and overall control room, everything is recorded. You can record a data, can play back. These are our disadvantages. And does not predict. It is not some person moves suddenly change in every second. You cannot predict 100%, and it cannot force directly to the operator to work. It's more expensive, not 100% accurate. System is bulk and need minimization. Future scope. the day by day world grow in television. One may be able to their own job when look at them and speak to them, and further as a world is digitalizing and we are moving toward robotic world. Several human activities can be stumped with emotion sensor world tool, and tool or system is fitted to robot with high motion with detective what is the demand of and action to be taken by the robot accordingly. In conclusion, Blue Eyes Technologies is an emerging computer technology which allows the machine to recognize the physiological emotions, moods, body temperature, blood pressure, etc. Thus, it provides the data which the operator has interest for. Thus, it reduce the manpower and work, so that Blue Eyes technology much needed for this generation. These are the references. Thank you. Hello, ma'am.
ಇದೀವಿ ಎಲ್ಲರೂ ಇಲ್ಲೇ ಇದೀವಿ ಹೇಳಿ ಮುಗಿತಾ
ಮುಗಿತು ಸರ್.
ಓಕೆ ಭವ್ಯ ಮ್ಯಾಮ್ ಏನಾದ್ರು ಕ್ವಶನ್ಸಾ?
ಯಾರು ಬೇರೆ ಯಾರು ಸ್ಟೂಡೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ಕೇಳ್ರಿ.
ಭವ್ಯ ಮ್ಯಾಮ್ ಏನೋ ಕ್ವಶನ್ ಇದೆ ಅಂತ ತಾಳಿ ಒಂದು ನಿಮಿಷ.
ನೀತುಶ್ರೀ, ವಿಸ್ಮಯ, ರಾಧಿಕಾ, ನಾನು ಆಲ್ರೆಡಿ ಕೇಳಿ ಮೊನ್ನೆ ಆಗಿದೆ.
ವಿಸ್ಮಯ ಒಂದು ಕ್ವಶನ್ ಕೇಳಿ ನೋಡೋಣ, ಏನ್ ಕೇಳಿಸ್ಕೊಂಡಿದ್ದೀರಾ?
ಏನ್ ಯಾರು ಇಲ್ವೇನ್ರಿ? ಎಲ್ಲ ಮ್ಯೂಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಬೇರೆ ಕಡೆ ಎಲ್ಲ ಹೋಗೋಣ.
ವಿಸ್ಮಯ ಅಂತ ಕರೀರಿ.
ವಿಸ್ಮಯ,
ಗುಡ್ ಆಫ್ಟರ್ನೂನ್.
ಕೇಳಿ.
ಕ್ವಶನ್ ಕೇಳ್ರಿ. ಬರೀ ನಾವೇ ಕೇಳ್ಬೇಕು ಅಂತಿಲ್ಲ, ನೀವು ಕೂಡ ಕೇಳ್ಬೋದು. ನೀತುಶ್ರೀ, ಯಾರು? ಶಿವಶಂಕರ್.
ವಿಸ್ಮಯ, ನಿಮಗೆ ಕ್ವಶನ್ ಕೇಳಿದ್ರೆ ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಕ್ವಶನ್ ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ನಿಮ್ದೇ ತಾನೇ ಇರೋದು.
ಮಾತಾಡ್ರಿ ವಿಸ್ಮಯ.
ಎಸ್ ಸರ್.
ಕ್ವಶನ್ಸ್ ಕೇಳ್ಬೇಕು, ಬರೀ ನಾವೇ ಕೇಳ್ಬೇಕು ಅಂತ ಏನಿಲ್ಲ. ವ್ಯೂವರ್ಸ್ ಆಲ್ಸೋ ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಆಸ್ ದ ಕ್ವಶನ್. ಯಾರಿದ್ದಾರೆ? ನೀತುಶ್ರೀ.
ಮ್ಯಾಮ್ ಏನು ಕ್ವಶನ್ಸ್ ಇಲ್ಲ.
ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಯಾರ್ದಿರೋದು?
ನೀತುಶ್ರೀ.
ಇಲ್ಲ ಮ್ಯಾಮ್ ಕ್ವಶನ್ಸ್.
ನೋ ಕ್ವಶನ್ಸ್?
ನೋ ಮ್ಯಾಮ್.
ಓಕೆ ಆಯ್ತಪ್ಪ. ಸೊ
ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಯು.
ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ 2. ಓಕೆ ಬಾಯ್.